Hello students, how are you? I am Jyoti Parmar from HBK New Primary School, Memnagar. Students, in last session, I taught you Unit 2 in text, the sheep of the desert lesson. In this lesson, I have given you new words, opposite words, synonym words, solve the riddles, poem 2 I am jumping, and blanks of verb form. Have you written in your classwork and homework notebook all this? Isn't it? Okay. Now I have written the question answers of this lesson and you have to write down these question answers and blanks in your classwork and homework notebook. Don't forget this. And I have written the new words of Unit 3 in your Unit 3, opposite words, synonym words, and exercise of prepositions. Everything you have to write down in your classwork and homework notebook. Do you understand properly, beta? Okay. Now today I am going to teach you Unit 3 lesson I will become. Students, listen me. I am asking you one questions and that is, what will you become in future? Have you decided for your future? Somebody will tell I will become a doctor, somebody an engineer, somebody a teacher, lawyer, CA, etc. So same here in your lesson there are 3 students and they have written a composition about them. About them means what will they want to become. Those students are Siddharth, Eva and Nitin. These 3 students have written their ambitions in this lesson and the author has descriptive about them. Now I am reading a lesson and explain it, so give attention properly. There was an essay writing competition at Bagpur Primary School. The topic was I will become. Here are the top 3 essays. There was a comparison of an essay writing in Bagpur Primary School and the name of the topic is I will become. Siddharth wrote, I want to become a teacher. I will laugh with my students. I will not shout at them but will shout with them. I will never insult my students and will not find faults with them. Every student has some special ability. I will play with them and will discover their special abilities. My student will give their opinions in the class. I will not insist on the pin drop silence in the classroom. There will be cheerful voices in my class. I dislike lectures, so I will teach my students through activities. We will do a lot of listening, speaking and hands-on activities together. We will go out, sing, dance and have fun together. In short, I will be a friend for all. They all will love me. I will enjoy my life as a teacher. Now I explain this paragraph. Siddharth wants to become a teacher and what will Siddharth do and not do? Those all given in this paragraph. First, Siddharth told that he will not shout at the students and will not insult them. Siddharth told that all students have some special ability. Siddharth will not like lectures and pin drop silence too. Siddharth will find their abilities by activities. Now Eva. Now I explain about the Eva. What will Eva become in her future? That I am explaining you. First I read the paragraph of Eva and then I will explain it. Eva wrote, last January I went to my uncle's place. It is in Vadgam. near Khambat. A group of young boys and girls from Baroda came there. They crossed the Bay of Khambat on foot. When there was no tide, they came there see, to see flocks of flamingos at night. They observed the night sky with, with a big telescope. Dhavalbhai was the organizer of this trip. I talked with him. I learned lot of interesting things about nature. I will also become a trekking organizer like him. I will study birds, butterflies, insects, animals, soil and trees. They all are lovely parts of our world. I will also learn sky gazing. I will talk to my friends and we will make a group. At first, we will find out the beautiful places in Gujarat only. Dhavalbhai told me, once you come in contact with nature, you will love it more. He also said, this is a very good work. You can earn and good money. It is a service to young generations. It will make your life thrilling. The name of my organizations will be Together with Nature. We, my friends, and I will organize trips to different parts of Gujarat like Ratan Mahal, Jambugoda, Dwarka. I hope all of you will join us and will enjoy your life. Now I explain this paragraph. Then Eva wrote her opinion. He wants to become a trekking organizer. Some boys and girls cross the Bay of Khambat on foot to see the flocks of flamingos at night. Dhavalbhai was the organizer of this trip. Eva likes the nature like birds, butterflies, insects, animals, soil and trees. And she wants to learn sky gazing. What is meaning of sky gazing, beta? Akash darshan. She wants to study about the beautiful places of Gujarat and she wants to establish her organizations in future and its name will be Together with Nature. She will give the name of her organizations Together with Nature. What is meaning of Together with Nature means નિસર્ગ સાથે. નિસર્ગ એટલે બેટા કુદરત. And Eva and her friends will take a visit of Ratan Mahal, Jambugoda and Dwarka. In last, Nitin wrote his opinion. Nitin wants now I explain about the third students compositions and that is Nitin. I am reading the paragraph of Nitin, then I explain it. Nitin wrote, I love nature. I like pollution free life. So I will become a farmer. I will have time table free life. I will enjoy all the seasons. My family will have healthy food, fresh air and healthy drink. We will keep a shade of cows, buffaloes and goats. It will give us milk and organic fertilizers. I will grow organic crops, vegetables and fruits. This will make people healthy. Farming is very good profession. A farmer can enjoy family life and healthy life and can give healthy life to others. Now I explain this paragraph. Here Nitin wants to become a farmer. Why do you know it? Because there is no pollution of vehicles, factories and industries. We can find there we can find there only different types of farms, thick trees like neem, babul, mango, people and creepers plants, vegetables, fruits, etc. Village people are nice in nature. They are helpful. We can get fresh milk, vegetables, food in the villages. We will have healthy food, fresh air and healthy water in the village. So Nitin likes pollution free life and he wants to become a farmer. He wants to do farming. He wants to keep cows, buffaloes, goats in the shade. He wants to enjoy a healthy life with his family in the village. So students, now you could understand this lesson and think about your future, that what will you become in your future. And I am explaining about the preposition. Explaining the preposition. I taught you the prepositions in the first semester, and those are in, on, under, near, over, into, and at. But now you have learned the prepositions next to and behind. Next to means beside, એટલે બાજુમાં. Behind એટલે પાછળ. I am explaining it. You will listen me. I have written the exercise of preposition. You write down in your both classwork and homework notebook. Okay? Use of preposition. નામ prepositionનો ગુજરાતી અર્થ થાય છે નામયોગી અવ્યયનો ઉપયોગ. નામયોગી અવ્યયને અંગ્રેજીમાં preposition કહેવાય છે. preposition in, on, under, near, over, into and at છે. next to અને behind પણ છે. next to એટલે beside, ની બાજુએ, બાજુમાં. behind એટલે ની પાછળ. એના એક્ઝામ્પલ છે, the photographer said to me, please sit next to your mother. My parents sat in the chairs. I stood behind them. સમજ્યા પડી ગઈ? ઉદાહરણ પરથી આપણને ખ્યાલ આવી જવો જોઈએ કે નેક્સ્ટ ટુ એટલે બાજુમાં અને બિહાઇન્ડ એટલે પાછળ. બિહાઇન્ડ પાછળ કોઈ વસ્તુની પાછળ સ્થિર રહેલ વસ્તુ કે વ્યક્તિનો સંબંધ પણ સૂચવે છે. બિહાઇન્ડ એટલે પાછળ, પણ અહીંયા પાછળ સ્થિર રહેલ વસ્તુનો સંદર્ભ પણ સૂચવે છે. સજીવ પણ કોઈ વ્યક્તિ કે વસ્તુ પાછળ હોય તેને માટે પણ બિહાઇન્ડ પ્રેપોઝિશન ઉપયોગ થાય છે. એક્સરસાઇઝ મેં લખેલી છે, એમાં 5 ખાલી જગ્યા લખી છે નેક્સ્ટ ટુ અને બિહાઇન્ડની. ધેર ઇઝ અ બિગ ગ્રાઉન્ડ ખાલી જગ્યા અવર સ્કૂલ. બ્રેકેટમાં બિફોર અને બિહાઇન્ડ છે, તમારે વિચારીને લખવાનું છે. કમલ સિટ્સ ખાલી જગ્યા મનન ઓન ધ સેમ બેન્ચ નેક્સ્ટ ટુ અને આફ્ટર. માય હાઉસ ઇઝ ખાલી જગ્યા ઓફ ધ હોસ્પિટલ આફ્ટર ઇન ફ્રન્ટ. કેદાર સ્ટેન્ડ્સ ખાલી જગ્યા માધવ ઇન અ ક્યુ નેક્સ્ટ ટુ બિહાઇન્ડ. માય સ્કૂલ ઇઝ ખાલી જગ્યા માય હાઉસ ઓન અને બિહાઇન્ડ. આમાંથી કયા પ્રેપોઝિશન કઈ ખાલી જગ્યામાં કયું આવશે તમારે વિચારીને લખવાના છે. ઓકે, સાંભળો. And on 13 February 21, online test. Your online test will be start of English on 30 February 21. Do you understand properly? And this syllabus of online is unit 1, 2 in text and poem 2, past tense, whole and use of can. So do preparations for it. Okay, bye. Take care of you all and stay home.